it's Derma TV. Today I came up with a perfect guide to use cleansing foam following the cleansing water and cleansing oil. Hope this short guide is informative for you. Let's jump right into it. Here's a reminder for those who loves to use cleansing foams. First off, don't forget to sanitize your hands thoroughly. Second, keep it in mind not to rub a cleanser on your face directly, but to create a bubble enough with your hands first and then cleanse with that bubble on your face. Third, cleansing foam loves to combine with water, so make a best use of the water whenever you're rinsing or whenever you're making a bubble. Okay, so now I'll show you step by step how to properly use foam cleansers. First off, we'll slightly wet our hands and our face with water. Once you're ready, pump enough your wet palm and mix well with water to create a mild bubble. And if you're ready, apply the foam to your wet face. At this point, try not to rub the skin with your palms. Using your palms might have potentials to cause slight irritations to your skin. So gently rub the foam into your skin in a circular motion with your fingertips. So here, let me ask, how long do you think is the appropriate time to foam cleanse? If the surfactants of your cleanser stays in contact with your skin for a long time, it actually can irritate your skin. And also, if the cleansing time is too long, the impurities you've just washed can permeate back into your skin. So we recommend to finish your cleansing within 2 minutes. Okay, so now it's time to rinse out with the water. There's actually a few people who rinse their face too harsh without knowing that's irritating their skin. So make sure to splash water many times with the running water, and as your skin is smooth enough, try to splash water at least 10 times more for a perfect finish. Okay, so that's it for the perfect guide to use a cleansing foam. I hope this perfect guide cleansing was informative for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!